Afternoon, my dear students. Get ready for today's class. So are you ready? Okay. We are doing block 4, features of birds. In the last class we have learned the function of different kinds of feathers. We have learned about the flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. I hope you recall it. Now tell me what else is unique in birds. Yes, beaks. Why do birds have beaks? Do you know? Let's think and write your answer. I hope you have done. Let's discuss the answer. Birds do not have teeth. They use beaks to catch and eat its food. I hope it is clear. In today's class, we will learn how different kinds of beaks help the birds to catch and eat their food. I hope you understand that. Good. Now please open your worksheet as to of block 4. Look at the pictures of beaks. Look at the shape of the beaks. And think about what food the birds can eat using this beak. So you have to think only. You will not write anything. So here are some questions based on that picture. Question number 1 is, what is the shape of beaks? What kind of beaks do birds that eat grains have? तो जो birds grains eat करते हैं, seeds eat करते हैं, उनकी beaks किस तरह की होती है? You have to write. What kind of birds have sharp, curved and pointed beaks? तो किन birds की sharp, curved और pointed beaks होती हैं? Question number 4 is, what kind of beaks do fish eating birds have? तो जो birds fish eat करते हैं उनकी beaks कैसी होती हैं? Question number 5 is, why do woodpeckers have a chisel shaped sharp beak? तो chisel shape कैसी होती है? छेनी जैसे, जिससे कि कट कर सकती हैं वुड्स को. तो woodpeckers की छेनी जैसी sharp beak क्यों होती है? So you have to write the answer of these questions. Pause the video and write your answers. I hope you have done your answers. Let's discuss my opinion about these questions. Answer number 1 is, different birds have beak of different shapes. Some have pointed beaks, some curved, some long and some short. Clear? You can see in the picture. The beaks are different. Not all the beaks are same. Okay. Answer number 2 is, birds who mostly eat grains have a small, sharp and pointed beak, like a sparrow, pigeon, peacock and finches. Clear? These birds eat grains and seeds. So their beaks are small, sharp and pointed. Moving to our next answer. Answer number 3 is, birds like vulture, eagles have sharp, curved and pointed beaks. You can see sharp and curved beaks, pointed beaks to catch small animals and tear their flesh. तो इनकी जो शार्प और कर्व्ड बीक क्यों होती है? कर्व्ड है ना थोड़ी सी बीक, क्यों होती है? ताकि वो स्मॉल एनिमल्स को पकड़ सके और उनको चीर फाड़ कर सके, उनके मांस को फाड़ सके. क्लियर? मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट आंसर. आंसर नंबर 4 इज, birds like duck which lives in water, you can see in the picture, have a flat and broad beaks. These help them catch fish and worms in the water. So इनकी बीक से ये वाटर के अंदर फिशेस को और वर्म्स को कैच कर सकते हैं. There are birds like crans and kingfishers. This is kingfisher and this is cran. That also eat fish but do not live in water. These birds have long sharp beaks curved at the edges to catch the fish in the water. So you can see their beaks, long sharp beak curved into the edges. I hope this answer is clear. Answer number 5 is woodpeckers have chiseled shaped beaks to pierce into wood to eat worms. तो इनकी चिजल शेप यानी छेनी जैसी शेप की इनकी बीक होती है जिससे कि वो पियर्स मतलब होल कर सकते हैं, वो होल कर सकते हैं किसी भी ट्री के अंदर और अपने वर्म्स को ईट कर सकती हैं. द शेप ऑफ बीक हेल्प्स द बर्ड ईट इट्स फूड. तो बीक्स जो होती हैं वो किस चीज़ में हेल्प करती है बर्ड्स की? अपना खाना खाने में हेल्प कर सकती हैं. जो भी ये खाना खाते हैं लाइक ग्रेन्स, सम अदर एनिमल्स एंड सम वर्म्स और इंसेक्ट्स, तो बीक्स इनकी हेल्प करती हैं. आई होप आंसर्स आर क्लियर टू यू ऑल. Now we will discuss some important points of this lesson about the beaks of birds. Let's start. The shape of beaks not only depend on the food the birds eat. तो जो शेप होती है बीक्स की वो सिर्फ उनके खाने पर डिपेंड नहीं करती है कि वो क्या खाते हैं, बट ऑल्सो हाउ एंड वेयर द बर्ड्स गेट देयर फूड. वो इस पर भी डिपेंड करती है कि जो बर्ड्स होते हैं वो कहाँ और कैसे अपने फूड को पाते हैं, उनको कैसे अपना फूड कहाँ से मिलता है. Kingfishers use their beaks like toothpicks to the pierce and pick fish. Ducks catch and hold fish like a tongue. I hope it is clear. Tongue is a device used for picking up objects. Clear? I hope you understand that. So we have learned about this fact that beaks are not depend on the food habits of birds. They also depend on how and where the birds get their food. I hope it is clear. Now we will discuss the keywords. First one is beak. Chisel मतलब छेनी, used for cutting woods. Next one is curved, curved shape. Next one is pierce, to make a hole in something with a sharp point. Next one is tongue, a device used for picking up objects. I hope keywords are clear to you all and you have to write these keywords in your notebook. Here is your homework. Do question number 2. Question number 2 is match the columns. You have to match the columns like which bird eat which food. Clear? Next question is question number 3. Why do different birds have different kinds of beaks? So you have to write that why do different birds have different kinds of beaks. And here is another homework for you. In the journal, add what food does the bird eat and how does its beak look like. So you have to add these things in your journal, in your diary. I hope homework is clear to you all. Thank you students for watching this video.